beautiful quality and something that will change India and be an example. Quality, beauty, design. I love you. Thank you very much for your trust. Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
And I think I can tell this thing about him. When we meet often and discuss designs, though he hates to discuss designs with me, because the teams are doing gymnastics every now and then, everything he looks at, he changes it. Everything he looks at in terms of design, aesthetics, quality, renders, facilities, amenities, services, he changes. My team is like, hey, what this guy is doing? I'm like, but don't worry. He's creating for our customers. A product which India will remember forever. This is what he's working for. Look at the watches. I mean, there are existing brands in jewelry, in watches, which have been existing for donkey years. But what Jacob has created in such a short time, with the Ronaldos, the Messis, the Rihannas, and so many people. I look at the gala evening, what is it called? Film festival?
Is it?
The red carpet evening, what is it called in
Oscars.
Oscars, yeah. If there are 20 celebrities, 16 of them are wearing Jacob. And here is the man. Can we hear it for Jacob, guys? Come on!
Thank you.
So thank you, Jacob, for coming all the way for us and launching this project. And trust you me, on behalf of all my friends, and I have the largest family in the country today, and you can see.
Wow.
I have the largest family.
Now it's my family as well.
Correct.
Thank you.
And on behalf of all the family members present here, I promise you, this project you will be proud of. You will love this project when it gets delivered. This will be a masterpiece, just like yourself and just like your creation.
I will be watching and making sure, of course, together.
Thank you, Jacob. And
Pleasure.
before
Thank you.
we